What is good, everybody? It's your boy Bigalkicks, aka the UI General, and we're back in the building today, and we got a quick unboxing. You see the Adidas Forum Low, Anthony Edwards. If you haven't seen this video out, please go and check it out. But we have another Adidas Forum Low, and it's a surprise, man. I actually caught it on sale at the Adidas website. So they're having a crazy sale, man. You just put the code SUMMER and it takes an extra 30% off. So I actually ended up getting these for about 30 bucks. But if you use your points, if you're an Adidas member, you already know how it goes. You can use your points to take off more and virtually get these shoes for free. But let's go ahead and unbox these bad boys. I know y'all don't want to hear me talk, but if you're new to the channel and you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell to turn the post notifications on so you don't miss a beat. So again, this is another Adidas Forum Low. It says tamper evident, but I guess somebody's been tampering with it or either the tape this week. Let's go ahead and get these bad boys open. Okay. Blue Adidas box, old school style with the holes in it. Okay, they went back to the old school, and the label reads Rivalry 86 Low, and my size is size 10, and the color code is ivory, indigo, and there's another one, I think it's Betscape. And again, I got these at a discounted rate. So let's check these out. Wow, it actually has, I'm gonna show you guys the packaging. But these shoes actually come individually wrapped. The same way that the Anthony Edwards pair came. And again, this is the Forum Low 86. So for virtually free, man, you can't beat that. And you know I gotta boom these bad boys. Woo-wee! Boom! Yes, sir. These are dope. Man, look at the rivalry tag. Oh, it's a sticker. I think it's some stickers. If you can remember when Patrick Ewing was with Adidas, this was the shoe he wore, except it was the high top version. And they did a retro on it a few years ago. And I mean, they got down to dirt cheap. I wish I would have got a pair. But man, these are awesome, man. Let me go ahead and get these. Unwrap the other one as well. Yeah, man, awesome sneakers. I know Nike makes some good stuff, but Adidas is keeping up, man. They making some good stuff too. Even with the loss of Kanye, they're making some great stuff. But let's take a look at the paper, man. They put the original Rivalry High silhouette on the paper with the trefoil leaf. Nice touch. Nice touch. But let's go back to the original logo on the sticker. You see this blue and orange. Definitely some Patrick Ewing stuff. And the back says, Adidas is chosen by the world's top athletes for its dedication to superior performance shoes and unique blend of functional and stylish apparel. Look for Adidas quality to meet all your sporting and leisure needs, man. Has a nice little booklet. I'll throw some B-roll up with a booklet showing the original low top colorway that did come. I think it does have some slight resale to it. Has the tag. I think this is real leather. It's synthetic leather. But let's take a look at these shoes. So it has a nice soft synthetic leather upper, as you can see, going around the whole shoe. Indigo on the stripes, and again, it aged midsole, so it wants to look like it came from the 80s and you found it at a shoe shop. So that's what they're going with. Now, anybody that's a fan of this shoe, I'm not sure on the exact history. I know these did come out in 1986, but all my old school guys, did it have the Adidas logo on the back? Let me know. Get in those comments. I'm not too sure about these because this is a shoe from the 80s. Thus the 86 Low. Have the natural color on the laces. Nice nylon tongue. with the Rivalry Adidas logo right there on the tongue tag. Again, aged outsole, midsole, and outsole with the contrasting indigo and navy with that eggshell color. Some more eggshell on the flat laces. Let you guys see that right quick. So behind the tongue, you have a Adidas trefoil logo. And the side stamp says made in France. I will throw a B-roll on that so you can see it. The interior has nothing on the liner, nothing on the insole. Just a nice, clean, smooth color, man. Real nice, real 80s-ish. Crack kind of leather appearance around the ankle collar. And it's like an extra lace tab up here in red. I find this pair kind of peculiar because there's no Adidas logo on the back tab. So again, hop in those comments. Now, you have perforations on the toe for breathability. And like my Anthony Edwards pair, last time I checked the fit, the true to size was good to me. So all my wide footers get in there. But you know, I got to do what I got to do. Y'all know the motto. Kicks get rocked every day around here, B. I got to get these on feet. And I got to take these bad boys to the streets. All right, guys. We got these on feet. And yes, I definitely suggest going true to size. Any wide footers that own this shoe, please get in the comments and let everybody know what you did, what fit advice that you're willing to give. But ladies and gentlemen, these are nice. I'm feeling them. Definitely feeling the old school vibes, man. Man, get in the comments, man. Let me know if y'all rocking with steals and deals, man. If you picked up anything off that Adidas site, go ahead, man. They got the original Crazy 8s, the black and white colorway up there for like 60 bucks. So go ahead and grab those. Link will be in the description. And as far as my thoughts of this shoe, yes, I like them. I'm feeling them. Anytime you can get a decent quality shoe under 40 bucks, take it. And that is my take on this shoe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Bang that notification bell. Turn those post notifications on so you don't miss a beat. Again, guys, the giveaway is still live. Link will be in the description. So you know the motto. I'm wild. You wild. We all wild, baby. Stay fly, stay fresh, but most importantly, stay safe. It's your boy, Bigalkicks, signing on out of here. Peace.